Ohaneze ajụrụ onye na-ekwuru Chukwuka Dibia ọkara mara ọkara mmụọ onye gbara ndị neti dọt of ha kiri na nke ikpeazụ a agwa aṅụ na ma mebigo the power of Okite osetugo biko ị na-watch ị na-agbasa ozi ya. This is my new page, Dr. Chukwuka Dibia +2349032226076. Ịmago na war niile mgbarụ echuzuru m truth over money to save ndị Igbo. That's why Umofeke Zion and Umofeke Dibia keep on reporting my page. So follow me on this my new page. I am the high priest of Okuku, Chukwuka Dibia. I am here for Arosa. I am here Ibobo. I am here for Mwambiri. We worship the Almighty Yahweh Elohim, called in Igbo land Okuku. Me, Dr. Chukwuka Dibia, one day or more. Karamoro. The man that have 1.60 million angels. The more powerful altar in the world. Now, you know what I was saying that you want to have one, that you want to go, what you know, keep them, but there's anything that gives you prophecy coming to pass. Because Ibobo to Sozia, Igbo liberation, and healing and solution. Ties up to our new generation. Because what's I know that I see the man, Prophet David Yahweh, spiritual war lord. Now, Akwa Okuku and the Okite Ibobo man at what the man is asking for another 10 million. So let us hear from the horse's mouth.
Akwa Simo Nima that is hopefully the money I'm going to do. No, nearly about 500,000. I told you. No, Nana told you. But 500,000. I went on it. I will have 2.5 million. No, but I
well, as you go.
I was going to you more, but the more one that you pay that money. Go 500, nobody will go 2.5 million. They got a course. More ways are not going to work here. They got a course. Or you will learn the hard way. Don't try it. You fall. All my ways are not going to work here. All my ways are not going to work here. You got fair.
And I'll go into that.
You see it. Until you are more. Someone do. Mom, a little. I'm going to get you out of there. I'm glad to get you out of there. One more time, public. Is that not enough for me to deal with you?
Your comments.
Is that not enough for you to say sorry?
Share the telecast.
One more time, public. Come on, people have I have the evidence of everything. The security guy, when you go and call since more than 4-5 times. When I call him about speed, even yesterday, when I could have phone. I am Bala, may forget that. There's a war to the Obama war. And the Oragora, and we have a submission. I will think about it. I have the record. They didn't have a baby entry. I'm going to phone. I have the record.
Each of the war.
They didn't pay more than 500,000. Or woman of my phone. On our ego. Was my group not the big ego. Can't I up a gun?
Very. Chukwuka.
If you feel stuck in your career.
Also, Chukwuka. I never see scam. Let me pray. Akwa.
If you
God bless you.
Call me now. I recorded it. I have number said the phone number. The phone number is another phone number. Phone number is Mama. One more second line. I have this. I want you. I said so. Online.
Listen to me. If I warn you, who never want to say? Look at what I'm saying. It's a double. n'azụ ijere gwọ ọgwụ oke ọgwụ ijere gwọ ọgwụ Dike dị n'ọgwụ ọ na-ebi power ọnwa akachi ofu ego ise wọrọ authority and power Dike dị n'ọgwụ Anabra dị ha fe Yahweh, the spiritual warlord. Ije gwọ ị na-ebe na-agba ọ na-agba n'aka ije gwọ ọgwụ igburu nne gị igburu nna gị ije gwọ ọgwụ were gbuo nne gị ibe gwọ gị were gbuo nna gị igburu gị were ugbo enyi nwaanyị ije gwọ ọgwụ nke ikpeazụ a mmadụ na-asụ ọmụ a akaji ofu Igbo David Yahweh Chukwuka Dibia ije gwọ ọgwụ eje ọgwụ igburu nne gị gwọ n'ọgwụ igburu enyi nwaanyị were gwọ ọgwụ igburu obere nwa were ugwu okete na nke ikpeazụ a mmadụ na-asụ with 1.16 million angels. Abẹ́ na-ebe n'akwa jee paakị nọ n'ọsọ ị na-ebe ụya Ebe ka onye eze Jizọs na-achapụrụ ọkwa ndị ọ bụ efe elogo n'ala Igbo. Ọ bụ efe elogo n'ala Igbo. Ọ pawa bi n'ụkọchukwu. Agwara m unu ada ama aka mma agbara unu fibo na-ekiri ego igburu nne gị ijere ụgwọ ọgwụ igburu nna ya ebe ijere ụgwọ ọgwụ igburu nwa ọfụ ebe ijere ụgwọ ọgwụ obodo chaa n'ụzọ nwetaghị mpịwa agha azụ ọspiritual warrior 1.60 million angel ada ama aka I choose truth for power. I choose truth because of money. Ije ụgwọ ọgwụ eto ụgwọ ọgwụ ị na-eto ugbu ị na-emesi akpa ije ụgwọ ọgwụ ọkwa na-ebu ya kedu 10 million obodo chaa n'ụzọ ndị ozuru omenala chaa n'ụzọ Akwa na-ebugo unu afọ ga-eto unu fake ese nwanyị fake native doctor fake Matthias afọ ga-eto unu chara ine for promoting evil ọnụnwa Dr. Chukwuka Dibia onye ji ofu Igbo authority and power the most powerful author in the world ijere ụgwọ ọgwụ chaa n'ụzọ anyị abịago n'ahụ ijere ụgwọ ọgwụ chaa n'ụzọ take back ọsọ onye ahụ ya bere face ebe ka ị nọ ịgbarago China oke ide feelugo Igbo feelugo ije ụgwọ ọgwụ obodo chaa n'ụzọ ọ David ya ọkara mara ọkara mmụọ Chukwuka Dibia si n'ojere ụgwọ ọgwụ Chukwu bunye ya ego asị n'ojere ụgwọ ọgwụ anyị pụta n'ọgbọ asị na ijere ụgwọ ọgwụ ịnọchie n'ụzọ onye aji aba mba Chukwu okike mmụọ ka mmụọ na-eri agbara mmụọ na-eri agagburu agụ mmụọ na-eri oke mmụọ ọ Chukwuka Dibia ajọ mmụọ na-agbara m ọsọ dibịa oke itere agbara m ọsọ afọ na-agba ọsọ ịnọchie n'ụzọ mmadụ furikirie ọ David Yahweh onye nyere Jebat ọsọ nye mmiri enwere ọsọ nye Chimalite mbụrụ ọsọ nyekwa eze obi ọsọ otu 1.60 million angel anaghị ama aka agwọtaghị ya n'ọgwụ ya bụ ọnatamchi na nke ikpeazụ a God bless you. This program bụ mma touch many things so ọkwụ na go the complain of onye gara je gwọ ọgwụ like I was telling you people reason why you see me doing social media spiritual work. This one I've been doing since 1990. I don't even show it on the internet because it doesn't matter. I can only pray with the person that I'm praying for. But because of Akwa Okuku, the Chimari temple, them and the million willow, them Ezobi, they had a book that's all on the internet. That's why I came out. When I came out, I brought spiritual work. They are collecting 3 million, 10 million, 5 million. I collect how much? 50,000, 100,000. And at the end of the day, Omoye gas about that partner, 50,000, 100,000, whatever. Gas in a water change. And that thing I did for you people is more than 10 million. But what I did is I just want to prove to you that but people like Ebukobi, who does not know what is called spiritual work, came out and began to condemn the power of God. And no, I am betting he will later, he's already be on a disgrace. He said, well, Akwa is a disgrace. Almost because I will be disgraced like that. Mark my word, anything I tell you will happen like that. Now, please, if you have not followed me on this Dr. Chukwuka Dibia page, follow me there. I have only 2 pages I want to focus on. Dr. Chukwuka Dibia, my page, my personal page, because of that Prophet David, they have reported the name so much. So if I open new Facebook, tomorrow I go get strike. If I open new Facebook, and there are so many Prophet David is confusing people, that's why I want to now go here. Dr. Chukwuka Dibia, follow me on this. And then our Zion City, they have had the many pages. Even our new page, the one that is almost 12,000 followers, is on report. It's on the warning. They're reporting the page. So follow me on Zion City, Igbo Liberation, Healing, and Solution. These are the 2 pages. And follow me on TikTok, Prophet David Yahweh, or Dr. Chukwuka Dibia. Then our YouTube pages, Zion City of the Yahweh Solution TV, Zion City of the Yahweh Solution TV, YouTube. So follow us there. Here's my 3 page I have. So now, let me now put Akwa video. In this program, you're going to be lovely, and please make sure you share it. Everybody should watch it. And I'm going to be saying a lot of things, and you're going to learn something. You know, if you don't did this kind of program, so let me now, this is the first program I'm doing on this my page. So I want to use this program to touch many things. So now, many people, okay, maybe break a hit before Akwa. What's happening? Chicago bless you. Share the telecast. We're already winning them. We're winning them already. About us, I go on my own. Obodo Ndoka.
Ndị pastọ anaghị ego mere pastor prayer mesịa ma ọnwa ego efuru ihe ha mesịa refund ọnwa ego amamara mgbakọ ọkọ ji egwu ọ bụ na ọgbọrọ ebe ọgwụ na ọmgbe ya bụ ruo ọ bụ na ọgwụ arụ ọrụ nke ide agwa were ego onye bụ ọgwụ amụmụ nwa bụ eke ya jiri egwu ya
eke hit chukwu kpọọ ọkụ ebe a mgbe ụmụazị a si Lagos na-ele ahịa ha akachara ahịa gwọrọ ọgwụ na nke gị mgbe ha bịara ka refund ọhịa ego did you refund the money tonight? Did you refund the money? No. Ọkwa ndị emere uru mechie. The reason why we did not put the money is small. The reason why I dị ọpụta na nke Akwa ụka wee kwuo okwu because the money is much. 3 million abụrụ obere ego. And the first and foremost, you don't have right to beat your client no matter what the person, because onye iji ụgwọ ga-agba ụgwọ. Ọ bụrụ onye iji ụgwọ bịazie ịgba ụgwọ isi gbuo ya. This is how this our original brother died because of evil promotion. What I asked, no, be busy. God know the heat, Jesus know the heat, Jesus know the heat. Okay, okay, so I'm going to alone now. But since that boy died, he never come to your page and tell us the reason why the boy died. But that is apart. Get it very well. I vow not to deceive ndị Igbo. Ọmụ akaji ọfọ Igbo niile. Ọfọ abụrụ mgbe ibe agbụrụ ọfọ na-akụ na authority and power. Ọmụ high priest of Chukwuka Dibia. Now, Akwa dị akpọ nwa nchabi na-agba araburu agụ. Get it very well. Because ihe ọbụla na-represent nke ga na-agba afịa. Mmiri enwere na-akpọ Sabari abi. Eze Obi na-akpọ agụ mkpo abi. Wait them. Many of them, see, I never worship idol before, and I can never worship idol. I worship Chukwu. That's why every time I will tell you na Chukwuka Dibia. Chukwuka Dibia in Hebrew word is called Yahweh Elohim. Even if somebody like Mazi Dibia will come and tell you Yahweh is idol. If Yahweh is idol, Yahweh that they worship in Israel is not an idol. He can go a praise. Like I know Chukwuna, they have Chukwuka, which is idol. All like that, the way you can see somebody can answer something, and it didn't can appear as a Yahweh, as an idol, but as the original name of our God is Chukwuka. Then in Hebrew word is called Yahweh Elohim. So get it right. We don't worship idol. Don't let anybody to trigger you. Now, person where they call Chukwu Okuke man, they can arrow Chukwu. Oh, when arrow son at Weba and about Chukwu Okuke Abioma. So I will not say because no one arrow son about Chukwu Abioma, there's no Chukwu. No. Master Dibia should come and answer this. So because he said, Yahweh is idol. So come off his head. So, Chukwu, are you trying to tell me now? Because now when Chukwuka be on Aro Chukwu, Arosana or Chukwuka be on Aro Chukwu. Now, does it mean we that worship Chukwu? We are worshiping that Chukwu Aros? No, that's not the truth. You can go on the internet. There's so many things you can find out. Somebody answer Jesus. That pray, but that doesn't mean we have only answered Jesus. Is this Jesus? So names are named, but there's original, the real name of that thing we are calling. We know they call Chukwuka Bioma of Arochu. That's why I always shop the name. I don't like to call it like Mazanaka. Mazanaka will call Chukwuka Bioma, which is they call it as an old name. Then inside that Chukwuka Bioma is misleading. Some people who could not understand that Chukwuka Bioma, Buchuku, the spring god, will thinking is idol. That's why I stopped calling Chukwuka Bioma. I begin to call Chukwuka or Chukwuka Dibia. That is it. So get it right. I don't represent any other kingdom. What I represent is Chukwuka or Chukwuka Dibia or Yahweh Elohim, the Hebrew word. Anything I want to call it. My name is Arinze Chukwuka Dibia Eze Anyeche. The short is called, from that name I got Chukwuka Dibia. Get it right. So Chukwu means Yahweh. My English name is called David. Yahweh. David Chukwu. Arinze Chukwu. So get it. So don't be confused. The reason why I never come to talk much is because of there's so many confusion in our social media, because it's a battle we're fighting. So I'm more like we are doing like about 10 against 1 million people. Yes. It's not easy. It's not, if I tell you say it's easy. We must thank we must clap for ourselves. Let me clap for myself. It's not easy. But all the world in our now, you can see the kingdoms are falling. Now, not to ask no bro. You see, you can cut tree, that tree will not fall. But it will take time to fall. That's how we're talking about. So, how you know? If Runda met 2 years ago now, most of them are crying. The same because this guy now gets himself. Come they ask someone, what about them? Don't go no around. Oh, no, go 2 years ago now. No control kid. I know. I've delivered more than 10,000 people. When they're on a some even native doctor will tell you they will kill them. Before I come out and begin to shout, I think I'm just joking. Now let us pray this video. Maka na eji ya Ogwu. Asina. Onye na ekwesị na eri nri na-eji ogologo ngozi. And Bible says you reap what you sow. You reap what you sow. So this is our brother now, not because we supported you and we made a video for you and they feel that he can fight Akwa. My brother, you have collected your money. I will advise you to just let the case go. Because Akwa on the way, Ibobo. Now, I was even asking Akwa to give you maybe like 2 million or 2.5 because no matter how, that it had go game. I will ask that someone they use to pass many parts of different animal. I did not buy those materials. But you're lucky, you have collected your money. So let us pray for JPAC. We're better face. We're better face. Oh yeah, but you're in a problem today. In case you have not heard from the boy. Oh yeah, boy. Oh yeah, boy. Okay. I prayed the video before, so I'll see the poster. Let me not pray that Akwa own. They will not come to JPAC. What the price, yeah, now.
Ibobo. Oh, yeah, you know, we're on the mumma. Yeah, I'm not the mother that and even Madame Malacham.
Share the telecast. We are in Igbo liberation to save the new generation from a occultic kingdom.
Some videos now from the mother now to some videos. My friends now come. Simu kariba na me. Wonya bani do me kariba na. Kariba na me. Ngaziba n'ọkwa n'ibe anyị metalụ na-eku maka na anyị nwere ekumeko ọdịbe anyị ọnụ kata ụkwụ akwuo ụgwọndụ ka ọ na-ekute m ụgwọndụ ka ọ na-ekute njọ mana ibe m bịara tata bụ ka m mee ya ka m mee okwu ma adreesị maka na ọ gbara nkịtị kwere ekwe ị na-aghọta ekwubu na maya apụta na maya lazara eplai ndị mmadụ ihe ọsọ gwukwuo maka na ọ daracha aja anyị ama ya nje mana o nwere ibe menji wee sị mba ka m bịa tii nke ọnụ ị na-aghọta maka na my friends kpọọ m erigo nne so na ọ bụrụ na iti iri ọnụ ọ dịka ụdị eji wee kwe ka o ji wee dị in the 2022 o nwere ya na-akpọ the lock ọsị na onye Imo steeti ka ọ bụ abịa bụ the lock ka a na-akpọ ya ọ bịara be m tụrụ
when you notice now 2022 yeah bro that 2022 that what we are doing that battle like I told you now I destroy many things about Akwa and I destroy many things about many so you know go they see I mean they happen we go they happen small they come you see it now 2 years ago and now they think that they get the hit you know fair now so most of people now I can go na more when we can take 3, 4, 5 years you know that guy hammer another small you talk a spiritual something spiritual I feel do spiritual work for you now you go move but once you keep on doing the same thing if you stop in spirituality begin to come down talk as spirituality now spiritual it must keep on growing grow now this thing now because of the battle I know go this thing is supposed to go normal way it used to go but because I've made the story go kill it so when I go kill it it will follow some go forget that make I just find what I go do some go for prayer house some don't forget that was the choice and how few they can fight that's why they fight many don't die many no get anything many no fit cough the mama don't go and Akwa ka gana leg after house they don't go fit top up they don't go fit only one small boy before after the before that was last thing you know that one so that one after 1992 so I mean we make sure the thing so na fire what about ndu enwere ọnụ what about ndu go maka Akwa because other people they can even go to another place in Igbo so our advice is but we want to go ndị oke ọgwụ ije gwọ ọgwụ I will advise you forget that ọgwụ move on now ọ dị ka onye papa gị jere gbuo oke ọgwụ ọ mee oke dibia ị chọrọ those things ị ga-eme bụ you will not follow that way of your father you will fight battle but ọ bụrụ na ijebere follow that way of your father when the thing will become the demand when those idols begin to demand so many things you cannot be able to control it. That's why you can see that this our sister now na-agụ egwu sister Faith nke akọrọ a ga-atụtụ komkom now the girl na father na papa ya bụ king of Satan we know her as a powerful dibia but the girl have seen that this is not the way he want to train his own children why women they are very smart the thing ọ bụrụ na nwoke etu ahụ ihe ọgwụ zi egwu na ọmaba di ya kreme na ame son of king of Satan ọ ga-enwe followers ọ ga-eme eke but the girl because now ọ nwaanyị and ọ chọrọ ka ife mee ha na-eme ha na be ha continue that's why you start looking for face of God the many of eze nwaanyị na-eme eze nwaanyị all of you na-achawo many of dibia you're criminals many of eze nwaanyị you're criminal you're all prostitute you're not eze nwaanyị because you only come to eze nwaanyị because of the money what are you in 2020 all those eze nwaanyị all of them came out most of you come out in 2021 2022 kedu ebe ụnọ 2018 onye ọbụla bidoro eze nwaanyị 2020 you're a criminal you're a thief you're a shawo you're not eze nwaanyị not like eze nwaanyị we know where we say eze nwaanyị no dey come for TV see when we talk about native doctors we no dey talk about people that ordinary people we no dey talk about Dibia ngwọrọ na Akwa we dey talk about all these criminal like mmiri enwe ilo dem all those Chimani temple all those Akwa Okuku ma eze obi dem all those that come out on Facebook to the Ancestry Jesus ndị apụtasịrị outside maybe see everywhere people like Odumeje dem Ebukobi they don't know God Ebukobi don't know God I'm not here to defend the Christianity because reason why sometimes if I will call pastors so you know I'm not here to defend Jeremiah doesn't know God he don't know God what you know is money Ebukobi what you know is money you don't know God we choose truth for money we choose truth over money. So anybody who love money too much cannot watch him go. That's why Akwa have defined himself. You could have been in that hotel and give somebody to manage. But EJ Crop, Ibanka, Ndacha. Do you know what they called it? You are a high priest now. It's defilement. That's why not everywhere you can see me. Any day I go to some places, I cannot enter my mountain. Cannot touch my mountain. If I sleep with a woman, there are many times they sleep with a woman. Sometimes in a year or 2 years, I never touch a woman. If I come with a woman now, there with a woman, nobody say I sleep with, I not go to because that woman may die on the menstruation. So, whether you are an Omenana person, whether you are a prophet, whether you're a pastor, that's why many people cannot keep the covenant. And when they see what we do, they call it occult. That's why people go, hey, no. The power is the highest power because there's a rules and regulation you must keep if you must serve God. Like if you're my follower now, you want to become so powerful. When something is in teaching, you go and watch it and you begin to do it, it becomes so powerful. You know, like I pray for you, finish. You don't see breakthrough. As you see the breakthrough, you're not coming to support the altar. You're not doing anything to help other people. The reason why, if you save other people. You tell people about the God that saved you. More you tell, that more the Spirit protects you. More you're proud of your God and your altar, the more the Spirit become more addicted to you. And more they talk about God, I know if you feel die for war because of what. The time if I drop my altar, drop every time I'm watching God, and that time enemy fit attack me. But as long as now they keep this thing, all the whole native doctor in the whole world, which is a that no fit stand me, I have killed over 300 and something thousand demons. And I talk about it. And they kill idol, and they kill witchcraft, and they kill marine kingdoms. They're alone, Queen of Heaven. I've killed many. And they tell you as it is. And they say as it is. Because assign it means for assign. All covenant. I'm not a covenant. I'm not a covenant of Chukwuka. I am the high priest of Chukwuka Dibia. Yahweh Elohim, the most powerful altar in the world, 1.16 million angels. If I talk, you say, 1.6, if I have 1.6, okay. If you think it's easy to come and talk what I've been talking since, come and challenge those native doctors and be talking. Many of them have destroyed their powers. That's why you can challenge them. Before you cannot cough. Even pastors. Some pastors, if you talk about them, they use of attack and kill you. I was attacked. That was in 2018 when I went to Jeremiah. I would have died. I only hide and they talk. And they talk about, I don't know what I'm saying. I say, I bought oil from Jeremiah 100,000. I'm still see the 1 million. So it'll not be today. I'm a partner there. So if they go to their book, now bring their partner, the first partners were there. All the things they do, I go for the functions. So listen very well. Ogwu manager is Ogwu. The only power that can save you, Chukwuka. Remember that Ogwu is not Ogwu na-ere. Emeka wee kedu Ogwu na awa prayer. Because ọ bụ nwa Ekwensu. Inwe abụ nwa Chineke, nwa Chukwu onye chuzi nwa Israel. Ijere gwo onye soro gwo ya atagudo afọ. That is ndị na ya akara gum. This is just it. Asina, akani na alala. Don't be envy of anybody. We know those things. Bible says money is root of all evil. I said, that's why when Jesus Christ came out, devil tempted him, he said, worship me, I'll give you all the whole world. Worship me, I will give you this. Worship me, I will give you. But Jesus refused. Say, man shall not live by the bread alone. All go say, oh, when we go to. We are the people that I will say I am the richest prophet in the Africa because I came into ministry with millions. Not like I came to ask people to start donating money. No, I came with money. We spend the money, spend money, finish. But I became broke. I begin to carry speaker, the waka. So enough you tell me about church. What I did, even your poor prophet cannot do it. We have used it to waka the whole Lagos. With power, with miracle. Not be say with the talk stories. With evidence. Evidence of power is a miracle. If you know if you perform miracle, you don't have power. The same power that do healing, the same power that can make somebody rich, the same power that can do deliverance, they're the same power. That is the Chukwuka, the highest power. You want any other distance. You can call it Holy Ghost, you can call it Jesus, you can call it, there is the highest power is Chukwuka. Yahweh. I know they worship white Jesus. Jesus never could. That's why many of you don't know Bible. So if I start teaching you some spirituality now, start teaching you about your third eye, start teaching you about spirituality. I used to teach it sometimes. That's why people say, you're cutting my... No, because I'm teaching you something. I am very, very deep. I read Bible 7 times. I have deep revelation. This is why I come and close church. If it's for money, who know right money? Who know like money? If it's money, now Sunday they do now. Who know say Saturday people they go wedding, Friday people will go crowd. They know if we go church, but we choose it because that is the day God has given us. I am not the type that is greedy. If you're greedy, cannot be spiritual person. Any spiritual person you like money, can't do spirituality. You know what is spirituality? Spirituality is not all about money. Spirituality is all about inner peace, solving people's problem. Because my priority to save 3 billion souls. So it's not about me. That is the difference. So everyone's going, you don't have member. Can I help God? You can't help God. Are we doing competition? This man doing that is more important than having member, because if I have member, if I speak some things I talk now, they say, hey, every time I talk about antidote, every time I talk about you talk about the church, they will go. They will go now. So because they don't want to hear the truth. If they want me to be talking about a native doctor, I shouldn't talk about any pastor. I will become my friend. The hypocrites. I don't live like a lie. See, let me tell you. Truth is truth and lie is lie. Whether you're a prophet, you're lying, you're a Satan. Whether you're a native doctor, you speak the truth, you're God. Anyone that speaks good, whether they're a native doctor, whether a tradition they do, he has the spirit of God. Because if you don't have the spirit of God in you, you can never speak truth. So not because they carry Bible, see Bible here. This Bible is not, it's just word of God. It is not book of God. Satan is inside this Bible. Satan is inside the Bible. So in the Bible. Matthew. Jesus Christ came out. They was meet here. Oh no, there. The book of Nebuchadnezzar. Is it not say? Is it not worshiping Satan? Oh, they don't know about the book of Nebuchadnezzar be like Akwa and like Daniel. The book of Nebuchadnezzar had money more than me. But when the time reach, how for do the book of Nebuchadnezzar? So all doesn't mean that they can boast. We don't care. All these people coming and by Jeremiah, they can have all the money. These are the book of Nebuchadnezzar. They worship God of what? Queen of heaven. I don't worship us. Who give you, who make you to know God? You don't know what you know is Satan. You cannot come and deny it. Bible make it clear that shall not worship other gods. It's here. Other gods are Mary, worship whether white Jesus, whether Mary, whether Araburago, whether Wancha. See, let me, if I need OG self, I need OG, nothing wrong with it. OG says staff. Yes. We have it in our place. I'll get my own. If I go village now, buy OG. Can we say there? I'll carry OG. But in my OG, Chukwuka. Now I'm OG now. See, when people they pray, do prayer, can you know who they represent? If somebody can carry Bible and call Jesus and represent marine kingdom, somebody can carry Bible and call Jesus and represent Freemason. Somebody can carry Bible and call Jesus and represent witches and wizards. Vampires, drinkers of blood, they are free in the church. That is why the politicians, they love Catholic, they love all those African, they love all those big churches. The guy hiding there. Because the power of God is not there. Where there is the truth, there's a liberty, and where there is the truth, many people will run away. Light and darkness have nothing in common. You go and see occultic people inside the church, chanting Zion. Do you know the meaning of Zion? Zion are the holy place of the Most High. Do you know the meaning of Zion? Zion are Jerusalem, the city of David. Are you David? You're not David. Are you in Jerusalem? Are you practicing the Judaism? No, you're not. You are against Judaism, but you're using their name to catch a Chukwuka, all of you that chatting that Zion, Chukwuka. You have forget all of you. It's like in the name of tradition, you just deceive me. But all this says why all of you have forget all of you. It's not it's a curse. Because of you deceiving our young generation. Like, do you know how many people Matthias have deceived? On I just use your name, I want to help you. How do you help you? You're opening church up and down. But me that even doing church and close there, I don't want need it. Because I don't want to be mislead. I know God told me Lagos is Egypt. You're not even doing it in Igbo and Dibia. Journey more, but keep make it you know, I Kotonu, up and down, see the woman. That's the woman and I okay, and I saw men and I didn't do, or never saw men and you don't even get Lagos. You were free. Or you're not day, really. You know, woman and neighbor, be a better Lagos in there, you know, make us. God is Lagos is Egypt. You're going to do it and he and what you know about Shongo. Ayilala. Iyamija. Lagos will be like, let me tell you. Iyamija ka Ohima na-efe mmụọ mmiri afọ ya ma kwa ma ihe maka afọ aka ya na-akpa mmiri mmiri. Afọ ya na Lagos bụ a na-akpa Iyamija, the water goddess. Ị gaa na ndị o nwere afọ nke Buddhism. So all na be na confused. Come and stand on my face and without say I'm mpedie. Inwe bute ya ka m kulie. Ondu ga-agwo. Onye bezi nduri nunu mere ma ndị emechara ndị igwe ya hapụrụ omenala ọ na-eme makpuo because of Akwa. Useless, buy different or useless, destroy many people. Destroy your destiny. Today we dey talk about igwe ya. They say join ya, okay, join ya, make us nonsense. That is not his calling. He was worshiping one district like that. And we know people that have, when doing calls, they have calls day. Arrows day. But all those ones you see on Facebook, all those are fake people, criminals, 419ers. I know myself. Akwa do mofuma. Do you want to see Dr. Try? No way. All the pastor try. Jepa, when you have many, when you Jepa came out, half a bag is women. That's why I am very, I have my 4, 5, 7 senses. I'm in Lagos. Have anybody able to see me? Do you know why people are called to see me? I'm not allowed them to see me. I want to prove to you I'm not looking for member. If I want to do program, now I carry my speaker, I go outside, I go and preach free. Anytime I come out on the street, I'm this free. Anytime I come out and say I want to do evangelism, I want to collect one there. I have my reasons. Something I don't start. In 2006, I share 5 balls, 10 balls in one day. 2006, do you have 1 million in your account? Now let us go to your account and print it. All of you that are doing Dibia now, after the both Jeremiah, both Okuku. In 2005, do you have 1 million in your account? Let us go to your account and you print it. Let us see. When I be let us go to 2005. Show us your account. When I have 1 million there, you don't. That's what I tell. Let us check how you make your money. Now find out that somebody give him, they do the business or they go more about. I'll tell you, money cannot fall for up. He must show us how you grow. You cannot say you are a millionaire. How do you become a millionaire? You go to God, I will show you my history. You will see how I start small, I grow. That's why nothing you can do me, I can never fall. I don't fall many times, lies many times. So nobody can fall me. Because purpose we hear now, we have seen it all. So we decided to choose. This is the only way. My father is a native doctor. And the native doctor will be, now kingmaker, now they cry people king if our praise. So in the speak the truth. When they go for one function like that, this is our Igbo Boda, I don't know who has you in Igbo. It's the child, Igbo go down there. It's the child, now because of now, that person met an Igbo Bodo. The Igbo could not say anything. When they call my father can't speak finish. Snake fall from up. My father just woke up and go. The later the boy died. Go and ask question. Now the Igbo could not speak the truth. Now from that Igbo my father started having problem. Because anyway, when my father they go, I go for him. Igbo go. I don't go many places. All those big men, all those Ezife, when he become governor, my father they pray for him. Go and ask question. Poco Bros. I don't enter Poco Bros. Underground. 1992. Before I even call Lagos, 1992, now I enter Poco Bros' house. When you open the house, my father go there. Nobody when they do something in Igbo, when they say they know, when they say my father, they're not going to invite my father. So we are not here for this part I choose. Is what I came to do. I have others too that are native doctor. We are not the same. So somebody can choose a path. You have a brother, you have a sister. Doesn't mean everybody is the same thing. So if I see you with a duke, make a see how they make it, it depends me because we will know what in Biju, they run for him. I'm Ogwu. Ogwu go now, when he came next 10 years, your game, you take that for what you do solution. In a John God is only the merciful God. Any other thing, any deity saying I watch you very dangerous. I will never advise you to go to any idol. That is why our forefathers don't make us say that yeah, our arrows. Because that arrows is very dangerous. Kita say, "Ma, growing up na ulgura arrows." Samari mmiri enwere ha mere afọ ole ka mmiri enwere nọ ọ ga-ajị na-agwa na ya bụ Samari n'Ọchukwu na Samari onye bụ Samari nonsense. Who is Samari? Who is Agumbo? Who is Arobudago? Who is you know even talk about Habagro? They arụsị ama Jemba n'ọgụ nọta. Who is Samari? Somebody is nobody. You don't talk about our family. You say all those things, but no those things, nothing is there. You don't talk about all those Ezuaguru where they say na life power that one are nature. But they are not God. They came as a foreign angel. Ezuaguru came like a man. He put hand, yes, water begin to pour out. Habaguru, they carry that is a part of the idol that white people came to carry. Do you know the history? Is it because must buy phone or now go to one Bible? See, let me tell you, it's not about quoting Bible. It's about doing. Can you perform that thing? If the brain person has a problem, can you solve the problem? You cannot. But you're busy collecting millions from people, collecting money from people. No, doesn't by internet in our nonsense, in our debate. Come, let us do miracle. In my debate, come, let us. I can't do the debate with any Dibia. They want debate. Come, let us put miracle healing. Let us call Camilla. Bring Camilla. So we know who have power. Not be by talking. Debate. Come and be talking. Yeah. No. Theory. Anybody that have theory does not know God. God is a spirituality. He doesn't need education to carry mantle. People that carry mantle, most of people that carry a mantle does not speak English. Go to villages, you see them that have recall. They don't go to school. They don't even know. They don't even. I'll demand that the oldest place in our place that do Agwo in our place cannot speak English. So because he broke grammar now, we'll call you a Hebrew high priest. So who told you that to speaking grammar is high priest? Is the grammar Igbo tradition? No, let us go. Let us go. I wouldn't even quote one Bible. Therefore, Yahweh is a Satan. This one. Can you prove it? You that have Chukwuka, you read that Chukwuka, go to worship idol. He said, we are not have garrison. God, see that. This is a manipulation. Now Yahweh says you mold the two cherubims. He said that two cherubims are their angels. So that is in the symbol of the power. Is it idol? And that was in the Old Testament, the Ark of Covenant. It's just about one verse in the Bible. What is it about deceive so many people? And now that can we know you know, now Zafo, you may find boy. You know, na camera, no, na AC. Gary boy, I can't say Dibia people now. Yeah, must Dibia. You go inside bush, go inside forest. I've stayed in the wilderness for 4 years before I came out. Go inside bush and go and train. You just came out from church. My boy na Dibia. Go and train. My parents said you should go and train. Go and learn the Dibia. Go and use like 7 years. Go inside bush. Go and learn. In America yesterday, you know, I tell you, say, I never get. My boy, how do you now get to Menana sense? How do you know Menana? Mataya Soyoshi, how do you know Menana? Yes, you know, person that now phone now only one want to do. What I'm doing now since 1990, that's something years. Go ask me. Go and do research. I've been to Africa. I've been to Roman Catholic. I've been to Pentecostals. I've been to Redeem. I've been to Winners. I was a mountain of fire, one of the prayer warrior. I am a Dominion City. I am part of their protocol. They organize this thing when they are doing the camp meeting. Go out there, you see my name there. You think I just came out today and begin to shout on the internet? If you're not working, you've been at church, I can manage a church. I've known it. Before devil can become devil, why devil is so powerful? Because devil was in heaven. He had understood the secret of God. And he also came down. He was not, so no matter how smart you want to pray, devil knows. That's why he's not afraid. Even when Job 2, when the children of God, the angels are there, devil came. God asked him, why did you come? He said, from moving around for this. Did you see your servant Job? God asked him, he said, yeah, Job is doing. He said, because you give him money, give him everything. Take all the money from him now. You see that it will cost you. They move all the money that Okita and the Okawa and the OK church and I'm everything I see. We will now call somebody again about food. They move over and tighten everything now. Ego Gina and everything Matthias. Matthias will run away from Mana Buzezo. Remove Ego Kita now 3 million, 2 million enough to Akwa. Akwa cannot do him again. If I change the cruise. Just small time, not Okit Ajiro. How many times they see they come the knock bell every day on they do Okit. How many times they see Chimani Temple they come out again and shout or Kelaf Agumpo Ezobi. How many times they see them again? Because everything not spoiled. That's why they changed the name to Ibobo. You know, that people were sent with Okite. All because of Okite, maybe the name. They now come, they change the Siro Ibobo. Ibobo again. What is Ibobo? They are the same. They are the same, nothing different. I wanted to pray. Okay, let me pray Japan. We are better face. We are better face. You know, now Akwa didn't give him the money. I'm gonna be arrest. You better go China. Emma Akwa arrest. Now you know China. Go you that they arrested how many times? Not be Andy Oba save you. Not be Andy Oba save you. Akwa was wise to pay the money. He not give her the money. He be Akwa I try to bring that money. That money is the reason why.
My brother,
everybody go China.
I've done so well. But this, if you make it,
you know, China.
Man, if you make it, I don't too like him.
You know, China.
Yeah, you said I don't too like
him. You come from China.
Stand on your ground. Stand on your ground.
Amen.
Now look at this guy just drag in here 2.5 plus 5 million, 500 about 3 million. The same guy happened again. Now they got 10 million. For apology. If you need a compensation, never do actually go to your neighbor. First, go to your neighbor. It's a simple arithmetic. Nobody say I want to defend that, but I want to side that. Can't you go down the draw now?
Uncle Nova.
I'm not
I want to know clear. Akwa Okuku get out J Park wedding. Disgrace for everywhere. J Park have better face. You know, say that J Park is part of why Chiedumwadike died. Because Chiedumwadike, let us talk because he said, let him say what he wants to say.
Let me use Chiedumwadike.
I will reply this.
Chiedumwadike will treat your way. I will also we spent them close to 40 million at Zenith Hospital. He had to send the guy and then made a donation book again. Go where then now and the man at the home of keeping. I was over there.
Do you know in that shade what this JPA contributed to why that guy died? Because Shade Wadike was very, very sick. He was having kidney problem. Isn't it? He was having kidney problem. That was what Shade was having. Now, that is when I was fighting with Akwa. Now, I pray for Shade Wadike, the kidney problem is healed. JPAC does not want to give the glory to me, to God I serve, just to push him to make sure that data is promoting Akwa, to rubbish me the same way they did it with the, that's why I'm going to keep as a try and go to Ogwu. You don't know where JPAC problem started because of this thing now. Let me explain it now. In 2020, Shade Wadike was sick. I am the one that started listening on the phone for Shade Wadike. When we started listening the phone, they find out and they now pray for Shade Wadike. They now test Shade Wadike. They find out that the kidney have been healed. Go and check it. I say, Shade Wadike people, they should come and see me. Let me do some spiritual work for them. JPAC rush with Akwa, they collected 1 million and rushed to Abuja. One people was over and go and bring money just to intimidate everybody to fear. Akwa brought 1 million there. Shade Wadike they go juju. Just to rubbish God. Then I got angry. I said, I will not pray for this guy. Let me see how that money will save you. I remove my hand from there. After 2-3 days, another sickness. Not be waiting, start Shade Wadike killer. Go and check it very well. And who contributed to his death is JPAC and Akwa. Because I could have continued that prayer today, the boy will be alive. I showed you again that I healed from 2020. He's alive today. Shade Wadike cannot die. What I need that time, as I do that prayer, when I come do Thanksgiving, I will finish the work. You'll be okay. But because JPAC want to be eating money from Okite, they want to make claim that Akwa is more stronger. That's why they collected 1 million naira, they rush. After they collected that money, this is useless JPAC. Still collect commission from that money. I was calling Shade Wadike wife again, they don't pick. Immediately they start seeing big money. I am one that started the lesson on the phone. I asked all my fans to, you know how many million who donated? Do you know how many fans that followed me that period? Then I said like 200. I know how many million I got. They sent me the sleeve. I said, if you said, I calculated over how many million that my fans sent, some 50,000, 100,000, 10,000, every before this web face. Now, if you say go, the thing not right for internet or Russia, hijack the thing, yeah, you see, you know, many of you don't know nothing. I like trouble. What do you know? Now you know some things I would not take you. When I tell you, JPAC is always there to defend Akwa. Akwa is a wedding now, not trouble everywhere. We are very first. God will keep on disgracing all of you. Here, Babon Corner. Here, Gabon Corner. Oh, but go already. Some Kagari, I'm not a Chukwuka. Oh, no. Akwa, we are going to acquire. Now, me made them travel for some. Okay, what had the children died. JPAC and Akwa may travel over there to Dubai. Why want to put them? Now, you know, say, Akwa want that trouble. JPAC run enter China. Why not go suspend your problem, your flight tickets? You know, Akwa so much. And I'm in on a China, then you have advice. Akwa by say prison, you never know nonsense. Akwa is a smart man. What you did is okay. I believe that even the boy not go feed you anything because again. So we know all those strategies. That's why I know nobody advise me. I know they take all the way. What do you advise me? All the people wake up and say, "Oh, want to bring 100 million, want to build hospital, want to manage it." I say, "Bring the money. Let us build it." They run away because I am too spiritual for you to come and control. Most of them, but I'm losing just to come and destroy the power. My power is still in tight. Power still raw. Oh, my body, the power. The power, it cannot see anyhow. Once you go, they also see this one. But you can have your billion, they cannot see. I am the most expensive Yes, I am the most expensive prophet in the world because you can't see me at your own time. Now, when I choose, even when you call me on phone, I can choose. I can decide not to pray for you. You don't know before I can do prayer for you. You don't know how many times. Sometimes people can call me 10 times, call 1 month, 2 months. My spirit not going to take. I'm not going to take your call. Oh, no, 1 year, 2 years, I don't take that call today. And I make a position. So, see, let me tell you, I know they eat meat. What I want to eat? Fruit. What I want to eat? You eat too much diabetes. I don't long for those things. I know they chop pig meat. I know they chop all those useless fish one at the shop. Catfish, I know they eat them. I had to carry a shower. I feel married 2 wives, 3 wives, 10 wives. I don't go marry. It's not against my own belief. My God knows that against you marry many wives. This one where you don't say you can marry 2. But make sure you pray a diary. You can marry 3, you can marry 4. Even if you don't feel married, nothing wrong with it. Because it's not a must, you must marry. Because marry no easy. You marry long woman, you're all done finished. Before you know why, that's why I tell you, say, don't marry one mommy water. Don't marry Eze one mommy water. Don't marry one Mary. Here, put here. Don't marry one mommy water. Don't marry one Mary. If you marry them at the same time, you make the deliverance. You go in now. Spiritual work upon spiritual work. Spiritual work. I say, can I roll do me? Can I roll mommy water? Can I roll Eze one? Spiritual husband. Every day, you go spend money. All the if God no love you, become poor. That's why somebody say, okay, see person will go marry. This boy with the train now, you go marry. You go marry, he die. You know why would they talk all those things? He marry, you know this family they die. So what are they get that? So if I tell you, say, to marry no easy. Now we go tell you spirituality. Say the year when the woman they tell that woman will say this thing. Where I say I God the mother. When the woman demons who are fight, they shoot and go for spirit. She paralyzed. It's prayer. Do you know how many people that die after their marriage? So marriage, you know, both you go just go in. You need to pray. Pray for God. Make sure you don't go marry kingdom girl. You know they try. They don't go pay a Dibia. You're not a native doctor. You want to go and marry a person with a father and a Dibia. When you say all of them don't enter covenant. You must be ready to fight war because the girl already have a battle that he's fighting. Except you also coming out from that kind of background. You're already. Okay, how to easy, but you can be able to manage it. You're not a warlord. You go and marry a warlord woman. No, it's all those things. You know, go and listen to that. What did I get at the top? Jesus. Say if you marry a man, the man not go live with him. You know what that because she don't know, say if you live with him, you go there poor, you go there useless. Then many of the girls don't understand themselves. You get married every day. The man will kill you. Spiritual husband will kill you. You will not see the girl go to sell. Sometimes the girl cannot talk. You will die. You know I know they put fear on you. And they tell you that's why many marriages, if you marry after 2 years, 3 years, you born again. You born again, no born again, the marriage will scam. Because the foundation is not okay. Ije go. No, God won't know. Just go. Jesus na scam. We know Jesus is scam. Many na scam. We know many na scam. Chukwuka scam. Who told you that Igbo bụ omenala Igbo? Who told you that Igbo bụ chi ife Chineke? Onye nọ na Facebook na-akụzi. Kedu ebe ndị a niile nọ 2020? Everybody na-akụzi na Facebook. Onye bịa ha n'okpuru ed. Jee gote ọfọ n'afịa. Gote nzu. Tụọ na bido kụzibere gị how to do omenala. What do you know about omenala? You that are talking, which spirit have you consulted? Which spirit have you fought? You know, accusing the man against a word. When the eyes are holding this year, when they invoke one spirit, if you come out, how would they defend themselves? When I begin to pray, different demons they come. Man, this year they come. Some go come, they go first. What do you know? As in that is why Roman Catholic are the smartest church in the world. They are the most smartest and the most secretive, the most successful because they lie to you. And you know the lies. Roman Catholic come and label all that church fake, evil, occultism. Why they are there? Men occult. You know, occultic people they will face off all they shout. Occult, witchcraft. So you will not suspect them. I hate Roman Catholic more than witchcraft, more than Marine Kingdom. Because why I hate them? Because of what? They know the deep secret and they're deceiving people into that Marine Kingdoms. If you bring them back and I'll be put and put Akwa and the Zobi and the Midawino, I will choose them. I will choose the Midawino because Midawino they do water, no say water. I will not have it for the water. But I go for a book. When they say if they watch Marine Kingdom, they hide them. No. Everybody not fit me say no, say to go to Vatican. No, okay, by feelings. That is you want to enter covenant of Satan. We know these things. I'm too spiritual. I have traveled first and second heaven. I have entered underground. I have go to graveyard to bring dead people. You know, now they stay on the grave, they are not dead. They are still there. They are still on the earth, moving. They have the time they can go back to grave. They have the time they can come to the world. The woman say, I have this. I know they talk. See, when I don't show you season 1 of the end time through revelation of Mary. I never finish up. You go get season. That time. If I get time, I go. Now season 1 not come out. Season 2 go come out. Season 3 go come out. Then I can't show you the video of people that died. Dead people. People who don't die. I go show you like 2 people. I go show you like 2 people. You go see the way I go to talk, say, hey, I want to go. I'm not in this world again. I will show you. Then you go see how they kill people. They shoot a girl for dream. He died physical. The woman that killed that girl is the oldest witch in Calabar. I have fought the war. I've killed many people in Calabar. Those witches. I've killed Obingu family. I killed more than 5 people. The head of occultism, the one of the oldest witch that killed almost 2,000 people. And what I killed the woman. I had to hide her. That now what made me go and be that? I spent 21 days when I came out. I do spiritual work. I fought the woman for a chick because she killed the little girl. I know they talk. Anytime they talk, I know they talk and say, you listen, they go on the internet. The case they there, their family, they later beg me. Because I said they know carry the body. And I go tell us what to kill this girl. When I kill her. It is the ordinary prophet. They know they say, we know all the secrets. I can't bring her how they killed the girl, mama, 10 years ago. When the girl was 11 years, they killed her mama. 4 people that killed the mama. They called their name. They put the video. When the girl was alive, the spirit they manifest. We record that. So when the commissioner said finish, he said, "May they invite them. They can't arrest the person of them come wrong." We the thing today. If I tell you say no do okite, If you like, go do, they give me the money. If you are saying you don't go worship men, if you like worship, they give me the money. I don't get church. Now what I see will make me close church on Sunday. My church before na Victory in Christ Miracle Ministry. I don't do program for Lagos. I don't do with Jeremiah. I don't do with many people. I don't do with many people. More by. I know be small picking for all this like them. Nobody feel buga me. You know if you do me nothing. Nothing way if you do. You know if you close my mouth. You know if you bribe me. Because I choose the problem that why I so poor because I don't deny money. That money I want to take home me. You know fit. Let me use my hand, deny. I don't need this money. So the little one my partners give me, the little one I get for my business is okay for me. Because at the end of the day, I don't buy house. I don't need that money. Nobody that start like this is movement. So the only money that we need now is to buy land, build city, build hospital, build free school, which is to help people. So I know if we come join our court because I want to build free school. I know if we come join our court because I want to build a house of God. I know if you join Ogwu or Marine Kingdom or go join Freemason because I want to please you. Who am I pleasing? I'm not here to please anyone. I'm here to please God. And I cannot help God. God has told me that I'm going to bring sons and daughters that will build the prayer. So if I pray for you finish, you don't come do what you're supposed to do. You're on your own. I don't care. If God give me money, supposed to bring, you don't bring. I go down the day they pray. God will correct and give a person ready to do the work. That is it. Because you know if you put God to shame. What I don't say anyone in my hand. January. If you reach to do buy land, I go buy. If you don't reach, I go to do program. That's our people. Yes. We must do something. This is why I go to Anambra State. I don't have maybe no way them account. I go withdraw the other. Give to sender. When people don't want support, we'll get money. We'll go find what you go sell. Use and do what you want. Now God get all of them. I know me, not me. I put more kind of meet. I can carry more. No, you don't feel do gang of. I want to do gang of. I get 2 car way park and I know the driver. I feel carry them say how much bring 2 million. I said I'm going to do what I want to do. I don't care. Tomorrow I'll buy another one. Because where the driver to go? I don't go anywhere. Where I want to go America or Canada or this, I don't want to go anywhere. I am a son of the soil. I'm the staff of Chukwuka Dibia. Mbaka uncle. It is said about that number I go. You know how many kingdoms that I fought? That number I go, they say now big battle I fought. What I did in Anambra State, we take 1 million pastor in 1 year to do, they don't fit. They don't fit. Do you know I drained? They drained me. Do you know how many people that openly submitted their power? Akanka submitted their power. Where then? Different occultism. Anambra State is the head of. It's hard to see a real prophet in Anambra State. Who you want to measure? That one a prophet. Oh yes. You see, they don't get. I have to see a real prophet in Anambra. And we go about those small boys because on the channel now land of where we say now occultism and occultism, everyone want to carry power. But we are here to prove it to them. There is one power. Chukwuka. We have come. You have come. The only thing they are doing us. So many of you think say, we don't faith. We don't faith. We go for war, finish, we come, we rest, we come again, we come, and that's it. This is not since 2016. I don't go Anambra State. We don't start since. We don't come small. As we say, they don't affect our page. We are starting again. Today we are starting new. This is a new page. It's something. We're not even up to this page is 2 something. The other one is it's something. And another one is supposed to go like, please follow the page. Zion City, follow the page. Zion City of the Yahweh Synagogue. Zion City Igbo Liberation. Follow the page. What I will be teaching very soon, because I have forgotten now, people don't mature. Before, we don't get people like Master Dibia them. We don't get people like many people that don't come and they teach about tradition. So this is the time I will be teaching some deep secrets. Something that if I teach, they will not say, we will not be judgment. We will teach spiritual things now. Not be all those way because they say Ekere Maria. No, we check Maria. Who Ekere Maria? You know how many years we have been hearing Ekere Maria? Matthias, who Ekere Maria? They pray on the bomb Bible. Somebody know Ekere Maria. They pray. Kerafia. Mira Willow. All of our Catholic. Brothers. Okuku. Ikuku the Great Ijede, all of them are the Catholic boys. This is it. They are possessed by Satan. All of them, they are possessed by Queen of Heaven, Mary. I love Mary, mother of Jesus, Yeshua. But the Catholic world they worship is different in Isis, Zeus. It's different. But how will you tell people? Can you fight Satan? Can you fight this one? This I have been to. I'm not been something deep. Say, well, God, no, give me what in the king. I'll try my best. If I was doing it on my own power, I can't succeed. I don't die. Yes, do you know the plan they made for me? Is it because soldiers they arrived today? Or is it because I'm alive? You know what they plan for me? Oh yes, it's very, very wicked. Let me tell you. Oh yes, it's the first person that sent me an attack before I walk. I know they hide them, they talk. Then before because try everything, every get people. They pray, they are they do meeting. They do all of them do meeting, they can't hack my page. Accusation them. Just Agobora, J Park, where they all of them they join together. You know how many pages I hack? They hack all the page. Both for Facebook, both for TikTok. When they threaten people, say where they follow me, and they laugh. If you're a fool, anybody when they follow me, when they threaten you, you can't watch. You're a tell them to use their power to kill the video so you believe. Oh, more. Daniel was put inside the lion den and they stand. The lion could not bite him. That's why there's no power. Nebuchadnezzar put them inside fire. Then the fourth man, another person appeared inside the fire. He feared, he said, I worship your God. All of you will later bow to Chukwuka. You bow to God of the Yahweh. If you know, all of you will stand, all those things says all of you will suffer. I know something to talk about this, but you are getting me here. Because I can't be watching that why. Because I be ego. Because of free alpha, I get to go on million. Cannot give the $1 million. Cannot give you what you show million. Look how much time started doing. All your destiny, that's your destiny will start from childhood. Like I walk around, if you see me, you say he's a Dibia. You see young, it started, no, it diverted from what he father they do another thing. So if I believe that's why, most of the reasons why, they will start from their children. I was 7 years to be a prophet. We'll be the church in our place. 7 years. That's what. You're 40 years after I was at which kind of nonsense? You're going to that woman, you will be your destiny. Many of you have been caged. You think Akwa go leave this guy? Oji okay tell you. Oji chick, Oji. Oh, you can give him the money. That money can disappear. See, let me tell you. The worst thing you can do is to fight the spiritual person, except you're already spiritual. If you're not spiritual, don't fight with spiritual person. Oh yeah, can challenge. Maybe if I do Rofuma, I'm not his quad. So oh, okay, when I Rofuma, how many Rofuma? So I see because the worst thing you can do to those people, I know Akwa is very, very mean. Akwa, do forbid. Akwa they mean. I mean, I don't know fight. I go tell you what they mean. Million widow, very wicked. Million widow send me spiritual poison, better carry them. Akwa will send me accent. I go to tell you what they send me. Not be say Akwa will send me accent. As they come out for what I saw the accent, I just shift up. My motor just jump bump. Only they send me information. When I call only the GML, I be before. I mean spoiler. Million widow send spiritual poison. Others are marine kingdom. They can't give you food for water for the marine witchcraft. They give people, if you give you food for drink, if you eat that, you begin to sick. Oh, that kind of power. I million we don't use. Matthias have his own. All of them have tried. Matthias did his own. I send the beat, send me angle. I know they talk with things everybody don't do. Jeremiah very wicked. Jeremiah, I'm going to for him. Me and they fight him. Fight him. Today, TB Joshua, you appear here. I carry my sword, the fought TB Joshua Namarine and the witchcraft occult. I told me you die now. You know about that. Don't be sad they talk and say this. I will tell you as it will be. I will tell you because I don't get anything. What you again? You get money. I know pursue that money. If they carry woman up and down, I know carry woman up and down. If they build house up and down, I know build house up and down. So what I go come get? What you again? A power. So you know, shadows on president. I'll put no problem. But you say I cannot. So no near that where you come for power. No near where I did. Money have that one because they brought money. They showed me. They showed me power. Choose power. So I know where I get. I know what I get. So he can't say, everybody get credit, they give him billion. No, that is his own. As I have 1.60 million angel, they pay Ebuko big say you no get such angel. If they pay Akwa say you no get 1 million angel. If they pay Matthias million we know them. But Jeremiah, if they pay and say they no get million angel. Now you they look go and look spiritual. Carry my name, carry my picture, and the Jeremiah or Ebuko Akwa go to where they see vision. As they say, among those prophets, who is more powerful? Carry and go and do that research. No, bro, go to Ibobo where you don't know. Go to where you don't know. People where don't know Nigeria. Carry the picture. Call somebody where they are any country. Carry my picture. Carry Okuku. Carry Jeremiah. Carry Ebukobi. 4 picture. Carry and go ask them who is more powerful among those people. I know say if you go Ghana, they will feature you. If you go some places, they will see and they will tell you. So you will understand. Say we will not be here to make noise. Take my picture. Take Ebukobi picture. Take Akwa picture. Take Million picture. Take Jeremiah picture. 4 or 5 pictures. Go and ask them. Among those people, who is more powerful? Many of them. Not go to where they will deceive you. Because when they look at it, they will not say, those are not marine prophets you go. They will choose Jeremiah and the Ebukobi. If you go to all those native doctors, they will choose them. But if you go to people that see to tell you, they will say, no, this one is divine. My own, they don't feel compare. And you have divine power. Divine is divine. Divine is divine. Not be juju. Now, juju, they look like, oh, no, divine is divine. You know why people cannot follow? Because of the divine power, people do not want to associate with the right. The holiness is there because the power that I control now have rules and regulation. It's not easy. It's not easy. Nebuchadnezzar could not follow it. Even King Solomon could not maintain the power. That's why they begin to follow other people because of money. You get the thing want enter me. I come to be like something I able to be them. No, I said no. That's not my field. Wait. I come. I'm a warlord. Who is able to be? Say baby. Me wait time Mbaka said they go close in church. Mbaka close in church. Mbaka send me like shit. I know they're here to talk. I will tell you as it be. Light and down. Anything I tell you. Why I'm making those videos, even if I die tomorrow, I'll be able to say some. I have some secret. I will still show you people who don't die. So I don't show you the game where I raised for dates, when I raised for dates. I don't show you when you don't grow, Abi. 4 years ago. Check this out. I will still show you people, the game where he died, why he died. When I tell and say, in family kill them. So you want to say, my family, some people, they want not kill them. Some are their brothers, some are their sisters. Who killed and have the family kill the girl? They shot the girl around and die. In spirit. So be very careful. If you're going back, I don't say you should not eat your father's in your family. Last time I'm not going to eat food in my family for 5 years. Why? They saw the power. They want to kill me. They want to poison me. Because of what? They don't want me. Because they don't tell them, say, if I start this work, many people will go down. You know what they call spirituality. It is how all those pastors are they love. Wait here again. Sometimes I go be like, say, make I stop safe. I go tire for my life. I say, this thing I don't tire. But I don't get church. What thing if I say I don't tire, maybe I don't get moral, I say I don't tire. Money will come. God will say one person, so that money go back. That money that I need that time. Anything I want to eat, I go eat. Any country I want to go, now I go go. But not be to come and begin to carry a shower, they do nonsense. If I get money now, 80% na charity. I say they come now today, I know how much I don't send out. Because as I don't go now, I get people who say they depend on me. There are thousands. Every time I come to show you on Facebook. If I like, I go show you I go bring the phone now, I will show you for this thing, transaction. Because this is why I know to do online giveaway for now. I have a lot of fiscal something. At that time, I need a lot of help. So I'm just planning. So January, if I don't do program this December, then January I must do a program. So January I'll have program in Igbo. So those people who know my father's house, where I started the power of 1990, the first month that I will build in 1990, come, will be open for January. I'll put the date. I'll do that. There will be food, there will be drink, there will be free water, there will be healing, there will be impartation. So that one I want to do it in Buku. It will be Chukwuka, Dibia, Ibobo program. As a Kurun, I'm going to charity begins at home. So the happiness thing that we'll be able to do this year, that we'll be able to go to, we're taking the headquarters of this Zion city of the Yahweh synagogue to Igbo land. So please, if you are not following the page. Okay, so we are marrying someone with marine spirit. So should we leave them? No, if you marry somebody with marine spirit, no, you cannot leave the person. You're already committed. What you need is prayer. That's why I say you need to keep on doing the deliverance. Keep on doing prayer. And they don't go and pray to the Catholic. You don't go and pray to Marine Kingdom again. If once you're taking the girl to Marine Kingdom, to water, they do something. The girl will get more power. They're going to give them more power. So if you can, they go and meet all those Marine prophets. They're going to give them more power. That thing will become worse. So you must look for a genuine man of God that carry fire, that will deliver the person. And she will be on prayer. Okay, wisdom, I'm talking to you. So you will be on prayer. You don't need to know. That is what you need to do. The problem you have is this. The deliverance you're going to marine people to deliver marine girl. It's not possible. Because you cannot deliver marine person. You can't. Show me one person that is delivered that is free. It's not possible. We know what I'm talking. After they deliver you, the thing will become what? Because they are queen of heaven. And you say, okay, fall down. Okay, because you don't fall down. Do you know people that fall down? They fall many, many times. Demons are more than 17 demons inside them. Because you don't fall down once. It is they don't deliver. Some deliverance take like 3 months. I will show you videos. One girl, she had more than 70 demons. Dragons, different demons. You're not going to want 3 girl. That girl I learned from there. Know the demons that is inside her. Different demons, different from underground, different demons fought. So people say, yeah, you don't place a hand on somebody, the person before. That's not deliverance. The demon can leave the girl for that time. They will not come back with force. That's why they can say, I don't do this, I don't do the spiritual work, I don't do this, I don't do water spirit. It's in no stop. You know stop. So best before you go into marriage, you try to pray not to marry marine girl. That's why I'm going to say they have spirit of God, but they have marine connection. Those ones, they love God. He can marry those ones. Then the problem is you got marry the one who say they don't like God, that with witchcraft. These are things that that's why they say marry for your Ogwu. This is what they say, marry for your kindred. So you go know those people where they go marry. If you go to our place now, one marry, they don't already know them. But you go to far place to go marry, who know you know the family. You don't know the family. You don't know what they deserve. You don't know where they belong. You don't know their covenant. Just come, they hide, do everything, they go. Tomorrow problem starts. You don't carry that family problem into your own. So you got to know this thing. I know they can marry from anywhere, but you have to pray. Nobody can choose a wife for you. Don't let anybody choose a wife for you. Choose a wife for yourself. So when there's a problem, you know that you choose them. God bless you. Let me play my music. I believe we have this program is long enough. It's been long I do this short program. But why I did it like this is because there's so many things to talk about. I just want to drop my feelings on this thing. I wanted to play one video, that Matthias video, that place where with that woman. Why am I going to do like that? I go to see people where they walk out for their road. You tell us about China. Can you go abroad to see people where they go worship God? You go come, they stop, they say, make they no go, they are this thing. No, they do all those nonsense. they tell us if na China, if na this one, if na this one. Can you go in Ghana for a church? Kwụsị asị ya na omenala ka ị gaa nga ụnụ na-akụrị aka audio money. Let me play that video. I wanted to play that video since. Ndị Igbo na-achọrọ eziokwu ihe ọbụla see, let me tell you, if wait up, I know if you know that now I get time. If na me, ọ na-eme mgbachipụ ụnụ nkịtị unu meghere chi ụnụ abịa nzuzucha unu efe gaa na mere ọgwụ na unu mechaa ọgwụ na ọ na-esi ọta azụ.
Prophet Ephraim Ononye.
Everything about them go everything about these people go
Nwaanyị na-agara onwe na-ayara. Why poor people will feed your church? You never feed them.
On Wednesday.
They might have 2 cups of rice. Well, 10,000 yen local. But you go collect 1 naira where the old people get for your church. Therefore, why they go? Facebook money. Maybe they see you say they help people. Make it tell them they give offering for your church. I like what Ephraim they do. Yeah, God bless Ephraim. No happen all that ever. They work 100,000. Ephraim is not my fan, but I like what they did to you. You never mention how they send me all the money. Mataya Abraham.
Nti 130,000. Then mmadụ ne ka anyị gụtara unu. Mmadụ 19 it include unu 19 ga-eke 100,000. Then mmadụ ito ụmụ nwaanyị nke ọzọ n'ụlọ ụzọ meet. Ị ga-enye ha 10,000. Nwaanyị abụọ ụmụ ya. Onye nke na nke. Enye ha 10,000. Ndị nke ọzọ ga-eze 100,000.
So are you trying to prove now? Nika, Reverend Father, Koneka, Pastor Jidego, Konke, why not your church? Now, because our old mothers in there, Jidego, ego offering, how to Otunka. Why wouldn't you start from that to your mineral church? You don't go there free. I'll still do this program. Why wouldn't you start from there? You're not going to stop all those deceivers and the deceiving me. If you go to church, no matter what you have been charity, which charity? Do I know you do business? Now, like I say, one naira, 2 naira, higher G, where they go to taba. Oya kwọ, oya to moto, get hen, oya have no, oya to moto, and I throw go every month. Mama got to 100 got to I throw for 5,000, oh millions. You say no, they collect money. Calculate for 5,000 at total. And I found out 1,000 every week. That's a month of 5,000. Calculated by 100 people. It's a big money. All we go tight, I have that tight money where pastors they collect, where they shout. Who is free who? Kita, if don't carry the woman, give that let's like almost 1 million. Let's say like almost 1 million. Alaba idiota. I want to that's an only you're gonna keep as well. God bless you. Please share the telecast. Thank you. Follow the page, Dr. Chukwuka. This is my page. It's called High Priest Dr. Chukwuka. Then TikTok is Dr. Chukwuka. You follow then Prophet Yahweh. TikTok. Then our YouTube, Zion City of the Yahweh Solution TV. God bless you. Love you all. Shalom. Let me not play my music to continue you and we're going to be closing. We're going to be closing this hour. I'm not going to plug our best video. I believe you have learned something. Please drop your comments. If you have any question, drop it on comment section. I'll answer it. This is our brother. I don't know if you're still watching. Please don't divorce your wife. Just a prayer. Go for deliverance.
Chukwuka Dibia, Ọmadeze Kwelugono, ụmụ Chukwuka Dibia.
Ọkụ mere. Chukwuka Dibia. Ọtọrịtị atọ. Ana-ama aka. Chukwuka Dibia, Ọmadeze Kwelugono, ụmụ Chukwuka Dibia. Chukwuka Dibia, Ọmadeze Kwelugono, ụmụ Chukwuka Dibia. Everybody Yahweh. Our Supreme A2Z production. Jerusalem. Jesus of Nazareth, Jesus of oh, when you think this in Jesus, Jesus of when you're on the Nazareth, Jesus of no, just you can get Jesus is holy, Chukwuka Dibia, this is Igbo liberation. Zion City, Chukwuka Dibia, was born, personalized, and to make sure God protects you all. What is written is written, and then Chukwuka onye echi onye bụ isi ga-abụ esi n'ọkụ o mere ụmụ David Yahweh Chukwu gozie gị ngozi ndị ọzọ You're welcome to Dr. Chukwuka program, the High Priest of Chukwuka, Onyeji of the staff of authority of Igbo, Omuwa, Jesus Anafwanya, Karamado, Karamo, Chenozo, wife Miki. Get it? Please make sure you share the telecast to this is Igbo liberation and the solution. Because no matter Gaburu, Jenu Kunku, or Buti Udukeya, Barbara, Ketchisa does not make you a Dibia. Ide Bute Arosindu Yoruba, Buta Arosindu Ndegara, Buta Arosindu India does not give you authority to become a Dibia. Ibobo, idol worshipper. Ibobo, occultic man. Because Ndi Igbo bụ ụmụ Chukwu. Ndị Igbo bụ ụmụ Chineke. Ụmụ Yahweh Elohim in the name of Igbo. We are the holy people. Anybody now watching for idol in the name of Omenana, your destruction day come. Your evil day is coming. Onye ọbụla na-asị na ọ bụ eze nwaanyị na-eti ndị mmadụ na mara kingdom echọrọ ịgwa ndị Igbo eziokwu gee ntị. This message go to all the eze nwaanyị. Because onye gbogoro acha ụbọchị ọ bụrụ eze nwaanyị. Onye tere imete ọ bụrụ eze nwaanyị. Onye arụ ọ bụrụ eze nwaanyị. Onye mefe nwana ọ bụrụ dibịa. Onye gwudo ike wayo ogwu a ọ dakpuo bụrụ oje bute arụsị. Si na agbara n'ọrụ. Asị na agba ọrụ n'ọrụ. Bụtasị. O ji ncha asa arụ mara onwe. Asị egbe bere ibe ebere nke si be ya ebere kụkwa ya. Ana m ekwu okwu as a high priest of Chukwuka. Onye ji ọfọ Igbo niile, the authority and power with 1.60 million angel. Go and ask question. Ọkara mmadụ ọkara mmụọ. I am angel of earth. Ihe ji ekwu okwu abụ na ugwu eberego na mgbarụ. Ọ bụ onye gba kamera tie abụ eke ihe ite ọkara ọgwụ ihe ike iyi. Ọmụ ajọrọ mmadụ ọmụ bụ agwa ọkọ. Ọmụ abụ chigbara ọdịte mgbe ọmụ abụ nke a ihe adịrị m nonsense. Agụmkpo ọwa bụ Chukwu. No. Nwancha ọ bụ ya bụ Chukwu. No. Nke na-agba onwe mmụọ mmiri afọ ya mmụọ mmiri ọ bụ ezigbo ife. Bifo ama ndị ọgbanje asị ndị a na-agbara ọsọ because ọgbanje ajọka ọgbanje is more dangerous than ọgwụ. Today, you are embracing ọgbanje believing mara nke a ndị watch ọgbanje. Onwe bido ya asị na agwọrọ m ọgwụ ya pụta. Onwe eze nwaanyị asị na na-emere m ihe mmiri ya pụta. Me and you know they do the same thing. Me and nothing don't know they do the same thing. Me and Akwa cannot worship the same God. Me and Ebuko cannot worship the same God. Me and Baka cannot worship the same God. Me and Jeremiah cannot worship the same God. I worship Chuku, Yahweh, Elohim, the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, the God of our ancestors. It's not a foreign God. Chukwuka abiom. Abụrụkwa nke anọ Chukwuka. Chineke nke kere ngwe ke ụwa. So get it straight. This one they go I will not understand. He can never understand how I operate. I'm not here because of you. I was not here for you to follow. If you don't believe, go to your way, believe. I'm not here. I didn't see you to start. When I answer A to Z, you're not there. When I answer those room, you're not there. When I answer the video, you're not there. When I answer Chukwuka, you're not there. So what makes you so important? What makes you believe without me, I cannot do? I've been doing for many years. Reason he came because God wants to help you. Nobody that entered me, that know me, that doesn't have a solution, that didn't benefit. If God has solved your problem, it's time for you to do your testimony and support the movement. We must buy the land. If it's not you people that God will use the land, God will bring the new people that will use to buy the land and build the mountain. I cannot help God. I am a high priest, a servant of the Most High, a prophet. And I cannot join my hand to occultism or start eating bribe. Pastor, let's do something. I say we are pastor, I cannot talk. You're a pastor doing it if I will expose you. You're a servant doing it if I will expose you. You're a prophet doing it if I will expose you. You're a Dibia, I will expose you. I don't have friends. I don't have enemy. I love Ndoka. I love the tradition. Ian no Bible. Because that's if you don't have the truth, you don't have God. We rejected billions from occultic kingdom to speak the truth. I choose truth over money. I choose truth over things of this world. I choose truth over fame. Truth is expensive. The most expensive thing you can think of is truth. Truth. That's why this man now that fuck many women. The man that fuck 400 women. We know. All innocent. I know they fuck women. But they are sleeping with all the whole senators, wife, governor's wife, president. That's what it is. I can't buy a prophet. 5 o'clock, they go and pray. That you all come and pray by 12 o'clock, 11 o'clock does not make you a prophet. You all come and do holy, not make you there be Reverend sister. We don't see Reverend sister. We say they don't born Pekin. They are many. We know Reverend fathers, many of them are homo, say they are fucking on their ass. We know that I never fuck woman. How do we know that you are not a homo? You're a virgin. What's the virgin? What criteria does it show? Virgin means nothing. Anybody can be virgin. They can marry to set up. There are some people that they can't marry. If they marry, they will die. They are covenant of sex. They came. They prepared them. I see again, the girl say they cannot marry. They have to marry. They have to carry 7 idols. The girl that they killed in Calabar is supposed to carry 7 idols. That's dedicated that idol. Now I want to go and marry. And they shoot her. She died. These are the secrets that you don't know. So, you know what I say? I know, man, I'm a fuck woman. Yeah, I know. That may be your covenant you have with Satan. You're sleeping with demons. So, it's not a character. I am too spiritual for you to use nonsense word that tricking me. I know a fuck woman. That is God. God can you make it no fuck. Abraham, no man, make wife. Abraham, no fuck. Abraham, so they sell my wife, give my wife, give my maid to fuck. I have Ishmael. So, that was it's not a character. David did not fuck. All the people in the Bible, they fuck. So having fucking don't mean anything. Having children, the Bible says, if your mother and father don't fuck, they're not going to burn you. So you need to fuck. So that is not criteria to tell me you know God. That is not qualified. You carry idol, carry set and put in your church. You're shouting because some people are married. The same way rush to Akwa, the same way rush to watch people idol. All of you will still cry. It's a promise. Write it down if you don't happen. This is why I'm making this video. This video today, November 2024, I will still bring it to you to show you I am the last prophet standing. What is today's date? I'll call the date. So when the time reach, it will become prophets coming to pass. November what, sir? This video is making November 6. 2024, November 6. I said, you know what you Mary, man, do you know what you Arosi, man, do you know what we are going back to Menan. All of you will cry. Mark my word, I'll give you for that to 3 years. Some some high blood pressure, some sickness, if you're not happy now, that God is not coming. Go and do your research. I'll give you a spoon. Do you know what will save you? Neighbor also. Nah, that's your nonsense idol you're watching. Call it Mary, call it White Jesus, call it Muhammad, call it Aros, call it Okite, call it anything. I worship Chukwuka. We have come. to sanitize and to liberate the Igbo land. Mark my word. Ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ peace, ị chọrọ kwado, asị na ngozi Chineke na-abụ ụba na-ebute gịnị na-ebute udo. People are dying up and down because of things of this world. You claim you know God. You're doing alcohol, giving to people to be dying for kidney, for liver. Listen very well. Ọ bụrụ Igbo onye Igbo ka na-promote ụmụ Peter say Chukwu ga-akpọ ọkụ. Na-promote what will destroy our heart every day. Okuku had a chart, pay for kidney plant, 10 million, 20 million. It won't be. Now Peter say now our people can now for talking to themselves. Every word. Evil is evil. These are evil incarnate. Can you allow your family to drink it? Many of you that do that bitter will never allow your family to drink it. Drink water. Water is life. Forget about sugar. Forget about Maggi. Forget about all those minerals. Forget about all those beer, all those nonsense alcohol. If you want to live long, this is my advice for you. Because I want you, when you make that your money, you'll be alive to enjoy it. Many of you, like if I your banner, most of you take your life, you don't know. High blood pressure, diagnosis of kidney, don't die. It's alcohol. It's alcohol, bitters, Hennessy, kill a lot of people. Akin, that's my very good friend. That one, what did make me stop to take alcohol? A kidney killer. That time, kid never did, because every time we drink every day. We drink. I go to club every day. Every day I go to club for many years. So you don't come and tell me about streets. I am a streetwise. I've tested life. I've traveled many countries. So nothing moves me again. So until I travel now, people are going to travel to go where? Or what about Nigeria? But the reason because of the government have made Nigeria to become evil. People are running up and down. Some people there, how are you? Most of them they collect money from you. They collect the money. They make you say, "Well, they got buffalo." This is Christmas. As long as you walk, one Bible. Bible does not mean you know God. Yeah, Bible don't mean say you know God. Bible is a contents of book that contain the word of God and also contain the word of Satan. This is why I'm seeing it like this now. So because it's a holy Bible, no, it's holy. You see, have the word of Satan inside. Because if it's only holy Bible, you will not have Nebuchadnezzar will not be here. Pharaoh will not be here. People of Amalek that killed children of Israel will not be here. Devil will not be here to challenge Jesus. So everything is here. It's word of God and word of Satan. That's what it should be. And because that's why people are saying the Bible is fake. If this is kind of guide you. Either you want to follow God, He's there. You want to do occultic. Things they're not doing occultic. Occultic is there. People are sacrificing that should there. This okay. They see all them out in the Bible. Mary, you see that I do people are here. They're watching cow. They bring out their this. They use the mother. They begin to watch it. They have been there. So it's not a new thing. Because in reality, Jesus, I'm not a religious man. I'm a spiritual person. I read Bible 7 times. I understand many things. I was taught Bible by Holy Spirit. There are many things I've been revealed to you. I have a plan that I know what pantry can save life. It can keep us. It can still save life. I can use pantry to kill witchcraft. I can use it to save person that witchcraft want to kill. I'm so powerful. The inside I can destroy. I can rebuild. So that's why I work out with justice. I carry the authority of justice. So that's why anything I do, I make sure you can't. He had my page. Akwa came out and say if any pastor talk, he will die. Challenge. So it's me. I when he get me. You can't help me. More than a problem. I mean, you know but I don't want that. I only warning you. The same way Elijah was warning people of Baal. The same way Jeremiah was warning them. The same way Daniel was warning Nebuchadnezzar before or Taff. He that have ear, let him hear what the Lord is saying. We're not here to fool anybody. I'm not here for you to like me. You don't like me, better for me because I don't have chance. I want to even less. I have no choice. You tell me I go for January now. I don't start program. You see me at the front. I know they do competition. Maybe now people they do program, they carry one up and down. I don't get chance. I have a lot of spiritual work going on right now. I go do from that to January. Yes. January program. I will put the dates. Ibobo 2025. Get ready. I want you to go to cook. God bless you. I see the man, high priest of Chukwuka, the more powerful prophet with authority. Only Jew of four, Igbo of four chukwu. Of four guys for the more powerful author. How can I way you? How can I go from his own 1.16 million angels? Mandi Chi, Mandumbu, Mandegede, Hanchaline, last one more in the spiritual life. So God bless you. I'm not against our ancestors, but I'm against evil ancestors because they were evil ancestors, we're good ones. God bless you. I don't know. You born a couldn't get with you. Born a you get with you. Born a fool get with you. I'm one. I'll go to Robo. Obi no me na ni wa ene. Ibe na mo ka ene. O do mo ni be na ene. Aso no mo fu za amaro uzo. Ibe na miracle perform. Ibe na spirituality wa apia la. Ibe na o ka eme ka ife me yike ayi no there. We are prepared. I carry author of justice and peace and war. Author of blessings. 1.16 million angel of throne. Angel domino. Angel Michael, Rage, cherubims. Working with me. Only one spiritual work and parent don't keep that. Then we go outside. Pierre J. Park and Jen Sakobola and Nebukobi. One spiritual work and then you go outside. You can have Ghana. It is either they come and never again. It is a they see fire. Where are the thousands of people that used to defend Akwa in my place? I used to see them. I'm not talking about them. That's how to know victory. And a bisaka. I'm more than Yahweh. Karamad, Karamu, Elo Chenozo. God bless you. Shalom.